Hi, I'm Marna, and I thought we'd do a little review on a little find I found at the Dollar Tree. It was $1, of course, like everything else in the store, and it has 3 pairs of Barbie-sized shoes, 3 purses, and a hairbread. And it was $1, which makes these a little over 14 cents a piece. So let's see, I brought out different size Barbies. Let's see what these will be like. Okay, so let's start with shoes. Let's start on this Barbie, little German Barbie. Well, that fits her pretty good, and it's a nice fit. It's not falling off. And then there's a pink pair. Oh, I had that wrong foot, I think. Pink pairs, yeah, it's not a terrible fit. And then there are these pink boots. Is there a left and a right? I don't know, kind of looks like it. Anyway, pink boot. Good enough, it stays on. None of them shook off. And then I'm gonna put her black shoe back on, which those probably fit her better than these. Okay, let's look at the little purses. I brought the bigger Barbie out. I don't know why they call them all Barbie. I don't know why they can't have friend names like Midge used to have. Okay, so that's okay, not great. Let's try it on this one, a little shorter, smaller Barbie. Kind of the same. That's a cute little purse though. I mean, it's cute enough. 14 cents, 14. This one kind of looks like it opens. Well, I'll be darned. I either broke it or it opens. I think it snaps together. Or I broke it. Nope, it snaps together. Okay, now that's a cuter fit. Whoop. She wears it on her wrist. That's kind of a cute fit. Bigger Barbie. She can, oh, it's got to be on the wrist. That's Barbie, she just won't grab hold of it, but that's kind of cute. Oh wait, I had it backwards. There you go. Got a little bow or something there. Okay, and then the clutch. Well, these can be any size, you know that. Let's see if it fits the hand. It does. Cute enough? Cute enough. Okay, we're gonna try the shoes on the bigger Barbie. Let's just stick a foot out like we did the other one. These shoes are kind of tricky to get off. They're the ones she came with. Okay, so here we go, the pink shoe. Yeah. It's kind of open in the back more than the first Barbie, but it's not awful. It's not falling off. Let's try this one. That's kind of a not gonna fit. Well, that's all right. She's a bigger Barbie. In fact, to me, she's Barbie's friend. And that's not awful. Heel kind of sticks out, but you know, for a child to play with, I think it's, well, I don't know. It's not so good. But for a child, I think it's fine. Okay, let's put her black shoe back on. And one more test. A little barrette. It's got a little bit of, well, not too much grip to it, but the texture of the barrette. Let's just see. All right, so we're gonna pull a little hair back here. And we'll put this in. I'm not trying to make it pretty. Oh yeah, that'll work. So there you go. You got 7 items in the dollar store, Barbie-like stuff. Let me know in the comments. Would you buy this? Would you buy it for your own little Barbies to display? The ones maybe you, like I do, buy at garage sales that don't have clothes and shoes on? Or would you buy these for a child to play with? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for visiting. Please leave a like and subscribe.